assaisonner viande ça, va vrai? Nous assaisonner. This is the season. And almost ready. Done. Almost done. Can you believe that? Up. Filmer. Voila. It's ready. And we're gonna put the rest sauce on it too. Right? So those can go here. Mission accomplie. Nous fini. Viens là. Bagaille. On met ça à manger. Viens prêt pour mettre dans le sachet plus tard. Pour mettre dans le freezer. Viens ça. Il est prêt. Il est prêt pour le cuire. Voila, ready to put in the freezer. And in the season, when I'm ready to cook it, I will just put my meat out and boil it, do some stew, fry it, anyhow you want. That was Mama Africa from Haiti who was cleaning the chicken in Haitian way. Bonsoir, au revoir, good night. Have a good night. Bye bye. Come live to see us tonight at 7:30 or 7:45. Love you.